It's a professional visual fishing finder. This will be good if you want to fishing at night, ice fishing, boat fishing, and lake fishing. Now, this one comes with a nice carrying case. It will last up to 6 to 8 hours. A full charge takes about 4 hours to charge. Let me show you what we get. So we get the camera. Right over here, we get the manual. Okay, the power. You can even power your computer. Anything comes with a small USB charger. You can plug this anywhere. So let me show you the display first. So the way to charge it right over here, you just plug it in, leave it there 4 hours, and it will be full. This is the camera you hooked up here. Now the cable is pretty strong cable. It's about 165 feet, 50 meters. This is your camera. It has a nice vision, and the way to do it, we're gonna do this way. So we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this way, right there, and then we go this way. So this is cool when you're going fishing to make sure you find your fish, plus at night or in the lake. Or I'll show you a little video we'll play in a second. As you show here on the side, we try this in the sea. So that's where it goes. You do this under the water. It's simple and easy to use. Like I said, it's real long. Took about 165 feet. It's on already. Let me turn it off. So there is no recording or anything. This is just to view what's going on in the menu. There's no memory card. There's nothing to record. Because you're going to use it for fishing or any other under the water. I don't know. Maybe you want to look inside a whale or something, so you can drop the camera too. So right over here we see. Let's see, we can see something else. We can see the ceiling right there. I have a lot of cameras here. So the way it works, pretty simple. You got the brightness here, the contrast, saturation, and you can change the language here. It's just like a display. Pretty simple. We're going to leave it the way it is. You reset it right over there. And here, see, we can make it brighter. We'll leave it right there. Take that out. And that's reset. And here, again, we can make it brighter. But remember, as brighter you make it, the battery will less time. But it's about 8 hours. And let's see, we can view. But now it has a real nice resolution. You have to see that, and I'll show you a video on the side. But it looks real nice. It's a display, so you do night fishing. It has already. You should be able to see perfect at night under the water, or if you do ice fishing. So the great tool to make easy to find a fish. So now to get more information on this particular product, check the link below. So definitely it's a good, once again, a good tool to have if you're into the sport of fishing, or maybe you want to see, like I said before, a whale or anything that requires you boom up this and see what's going on underneath. All right. Bye.